So guys, as you already know, my name is Dipanshu. So today it's my I don't know it's my 12th video of improving my English as well as improving my communication skill. So today I will talk about something very important which is going on my life. Definitely I will talk about that also. And what I am doing, I will tell you this thing also. So now I am learning the meta ads from the Damini ma'am, the tutor of the my English is actually very bad here, so please just ignore this, just ignore that. And if you are understanding what I am saying, so that's a good thing for me also, because if you can understand anyone in English, so it means you are going good, you are improving that. So that's why, as you can see, my hair is not looking that much good, which in past videos looking as past videos. So now first of all I will make my hair good. Okay, now it's looking not looking too much good, but it's looking pretty good, not quite good. Okay, I will talk about the now what I am telling you. I am learning the meta ads. Okay, I have completed almost 20 lectures of Damini ma'am. Damini ma'am is the one of the not best, I can't say best, one of the good teachers in the YouTube, which uploaded the video related to digital marketing as well as meta ads. So recently he she launched their ads, which is obviously paid, but I get this in free. Due to as you already know, in Telegram you can get anything, not get anything, but most of the thing you get free of the cost. So that's why I am learning from the Telegram. I know it's illegal, but if you don't have money, so that's that's good to that's good to start with. That's so good to you can learn easily without paying any money to any YouTuber, to any tutor for the learning purpose. She also uploaded the series of not a she also uploaded the series of meta ads in the YouTube, but it's just limited. So for upgradation and from new launches, from new features and from new learning, so we need a advanced course. So this is the advanced course. I am feeling very happy because I had just completed 20 lectures, but I don't understand that what 20 lectures is. So I first of all I will no not first of all I also revise that thing also. I make all the notes of the like 20 lectures. So after that I continue the next video. If I first of all I make my makes my notes, then I will continue to next video. So that's my nowadays journey. Nowadays I'm learning nothing from the 2-3 days, not from the 1 weeks. I don't have learned anything. I did not learn anything. So I'm thinking that why not start today. So because today is a Sunday and I am free, so I don't have enough time to learn anything. So definitely why not we start it? Why not we are not starting? So let's start learning. I am basically learning from. I don't love to what I want to say that I am learning I am watching the video in laptop. So because of there is big screen, and simultaneously during the sorry, starting from the first, during the learning the lectures, what she what she is saying, I am doing practical on that time also, that time on that time, because only theory is not important. You should do you have to do practical also. So if you have the features, if you have the facilities to do practical, if you have the laptop with you, so why or not you are not using your laptop as in the good sense? So that's why. So from very long time. I have not from very long time. I had not seen the any movie also and any web series also. But I'm thinking that why I will waste my time. Obviously, I'm wasting my time very from the 1 week, from last 1 week. So that's why I started learning this. What we can say video. So as you can see, my brother is in the back of mine. He is going to washroom. So please ignore that part also. So what I am saying to you, this is the 21 lecture in which she is saying. I will tell you what she teaches us in previous lectures. Okay, so it's good for you also. Not okay. I will teach you first. What I have completed, I will teach. I will tell you. Okay, introduction of meta ads. I completed that. Introduction of meta ad setup and maintenance. Every function of meta ads. As you can see, meta ad. I will tell you the some functions of meta ads and the dashboards options of meta ads. First of all, there is a account overview and ads report, audience section, campaign section, and payment and billing section, and there are settings also where all tools are there. So we also learned that also. So meta ads manager setup, I know how to set up a meta ad manager. There is a some ad account and there is a one business account. From the ad account there is a one also there is a one also account that is personal account from which you only can run limited type of limited limited ads. So if you have meta business, if you have meta if you have business manager, so from the business manager you in under the business manager there is a too many ads account, so you can operate easily from the one business account to many ads accounts. So I also learned the database pixels, data sets, CPA, CAPI business or conversion API as well, or pixels, which is very important. Audience also I use business verifications. I also do campaign objectives. There I will tell you about the campaign objective, traffic engagements, app installment, sales, leads, and one more thing is engagement, traffic engagement, sales, leads, app installment. So, or the I think that's enough. Okay, campaign objective is also there, and audience targeting, how you can target your audience, what is the psychology of targeting what is the psychology of targeting any ads. So that is a very important, because if you think you have to think same as the audience, but audience will think about if he she if he if they want to buy something. So meta ad set level, their ad set level, or ad copy. There are the too many things, terms and terminology which we have to focus on that. And in the in the in the what we can see in the interview you asked that type of the question. So first of all, I remember one thing that Umair Taskir had recently uploaded a video where he said what you have to learn before, what you have to learn if you want to crack a meta ads interview. So let's पहले first of all Umair, I can't. I easily find it by in my feed also, because I always see his video. I find it, then I will. Meta ad scale broken. Okay, scaling. Not that one. Not that. AI roadmap. No. First of all, I will go to the video session. Video session. New batch. Not that. That's portfolio for beginners. I said that they recently uploaded the video. The title of the video is Meta Ads Portfolio for Beginners. Get hired fast, Umair Tasmir, and the video is uploaded 5 days ago. Okay, so that is the which I am going to. First of all, I will see this video, then I will go to jump to next Damini Maps video, and I have the video. I have this diary also, so I will write all the important point on this in this, so I can read easily and anytime on that. So first of all, I will increase the quality of the video No, no, it's enough. Okay, I'm very tired. Since morning I not learn anything, so now I'm learning something. But today eh? We don't want to take any type of the holiday because in the yesterday I learned one thing that if you are preparing for anything or no, yesterday I was in a shoot, so they said that if you are preparing for the coaching is basically for UPSC aspirant and UPSC. So this what they said for UPSC aspirant. In my opinion, that is not only for UPSC aspirant. That is all the for that the line is for all the aspirant which those who are preparing for anything. So I will tell you that line. If you are preparing for something, if you are preparing for UPSC, each and everything which you are doing in the during your preparation is for is you are preparing for your UPSC exam. I know you don't understand. I will tell you in Hindi that अगर आप यूपीएससी के लिए अगर आप यूपीएससी की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो आपकी हर एक चीज़ आपकी तैयारी को बता रही है. मतलब आप जो भी कर रहे हो वो आप एक तैयार हो रही है यूपीएससी बनने के लिए. अब आपको तैयार so this is the quote which I love to. I also implement on this me also, because it's not only for UPSC aspirant, I think so, because it's reality that if you are, in my opinion, that if you are I am preparing for interview that is basically for MATATs. So what I am doing, I am just preparing for each and every time I am preparing for my MATATs. So now if I am wasting my time, it means my preparation will be my interview will be bad. So on that time also I am preparing. So you should endear your mind that also. So let's go. That's enough for this video. It's around 13-minute video. So let's end this video here and move on this video. First of all, I will increase the full voice of this video. Okay, I will meet you in next video definitely very soonly. So on this video, on next video, I will explain something good. And if you have any question, you can ask in comment section. So I can give easily answer to you. So let's meet tomorrow. And tomorrow I think so my hair will be more good and my face will be more sharper and more good. Okay, thank you for watching this video. And I know no one is watching my video because yesterday I checked the views of the video. The only no views is there, so no one is watching my video. So that's enough. I don't care about that, because I'm not uploading that video for viral, for having famous. So I'm uploading that video only for my improving English and improving communication skills. So that's enough. So I don't need anything for this video, and I'm not editing that video also. I'm not making the thumbnail of that video also. So I don't need anything. So whenever I will upload the video for viral content, so that on that time I will make a proper routine and proper schedule upon proper video guidance and proper video editing. On that, then I will think about the what we can say. Then I will think about the famous and everything what I want in my life. I also want to become a famous, but from not that video. This is video only for my communication skill, as I already tell you, as I already told you. Okay. This is I will see this video in after 2 years and after 3 years when I will in my communication skill, as I and I want to give a hint also, because what is going on in my life nowadays. So how I can do, I will give this hint in next video. Okay, I will think, first of all I will think how I can how I can give the hint of that shine, so I will remember that what was going on that time in my life. Okay, so let's end it this video. Okay, now I know you